Chicken meat is one of the most commonly consumed foods worldwide. It's used in various dishes and diverse in flavor. Chicken meat is produced from different breeds of chickens worldwide, and there are many other methods of preparation and usage depending on each country's culture and taste preferences. Choosing good eggs and properly incubating them can help enhance the health and hatching ability of the eggs, resulting in stronger and healthier animals. Eggs should be carefully inspected to ensure they are not cracked, have no stains or dirt, and are not too old. It should be noted that eggs should be no more than 7 days old to ensure the best moisture and growth conditions. To ensure the even development of the animal, eggs should be turned and rotated every 1 to 2 hours. After 21 to 28 days, the eggs will hatch and the animals will be born. Before raising chickens, the farm needs to prepare a suitable environment for breeding. This includes selecting a location, building the chicken coop, and installing heating, lighting, ventilation systems, and other feeding equipment such as water troughs, feed dispensers, etc. Usually, the food for meat chickens will consist of ingredients such as corn, soybeans, soybean meal, fish meal, essential vitamins, and minerals necessary for their growth. These types of food are mixed together to create a nutritionally complete diet for the chickens. Please take a few seconds to give the engine a like. Depending on the purpose of raising chickens, different care methods are applied. Chickens raised for egg and meat production within 45 days can be presented in enclosed houses with special care to speed up the harvesting process. For high-end customers who require better quality and tastier meat, farmers will take care of the chickens by free-range farming and selecting breeds that produce better quality meat. The production process of chicken meat in large factories starts from the rearing phase of chickens on farms. These farms are usually designed to meet the demand for large-scale production and consumption while ensuring the health and food quality of the chickens. After the chickens reach the appropriate age and weight, they are transported to large factories to process and produce the chicken meat. Chickens that meet the standards for meat production are hung upside down in the factory, as you can see. Next, they are stunned with water and go through a conveyor belt to remove their internal organs, as well as feathers that have been removed from the chicken's body. The chickens are then thoroughly cleaned several times before they reach the clean line and begin to separate the meat and other parts. In recent years, the chicken meat production and export industry has become one of the largest economic sectors globally. Large chicken meat factories worldwide have made significant contributions to the development of this industry while providing economic benefits and job opportunities for millions of people. The production process of chicken meat in large factories includes many steps, including processing, and packaging products. The chickens are slaughtered and processed into various meat parts in the processing stage. Then, the meat parts are processed in many ways to create multiple chicken meat products that meet market demand. Let's explore the largest chicken soup production factory in South Korea to discover many surprises here. Only chickens weighing 1 to 1.5 kilograms are used to produce delicious and quality products. They are cleaned through the conveyor line. Then, the chickens are stuffed with spices such as potatoes, garlic, glutinous rice, and red apples, and marinated before being transferred to the steaming room. Each steaming batch can steam up to 10,000 chickens at a time. The chicken feet are boiled in a giant pot with onions and other spices. Returning to the steamed chicken, they are cooled and packed with characteristic Korean ginseng. Returning to the steamed chicken, they are cooled and packed with the characteristic Korean ginseng. This video gives you an overview of our chicken production process and the advanced technologies we use to ensure product quality. If you find this helpful video exciting, please let us know by liking and subscribing to our channel so that you can catch all the new videos from The Engine in the future. Once again, we thank you for your interest and support for The Engine.